Hi everybody, this is Beachcricket, and you can see Cinnamon Girl right here. This is my camping site that I am at the present moment. I am staying with my friend Matt from JJ at a Jco. That's his channel, so check that out. He's a really great friend that I have, and I really love having this opportunity to visit him. I'm visiting him with his family, his mom, his dad, and his brother. And it's just been quite fantastic. We've gone on a lot of adventures here in Washington State, and he's showing me his territory. So it's been really a lot of fun. If you noticed Cinnamon Girl here, she has a tarp right in front of her, and that's a makeshift little tarp that we've designed to, we're experimenting, and we haven't got the poles really at the right angle right here, but just to give you an idea, you can actually do PVC pipe and tie it with some rope to your tarp. And we found some magnets that have carabiners on them, so they magnetize onto the van and hook into the holes of the tarp, and there you go, you've got a nice canopy outside your vehicle. So it's fun. Also, you see the gate? Matt, when I got here, actually mowed the whole lawn for me and put Cinnamon Girl, well, I put Cinnamon Girl there, and then he put a gate around the perimeter of Cinnamon Girl so that my girls, Roxy and Riley, could go outside and play. So isn't that sweet? That was very, very thoughtful and kind, and I sure do appreciate it, because usually those doors are open right there and the girls run around and they have a good time, and it's just been fun for them being able to just be free and run and enjoy everything here. So just wanted to show you that. And also, the video that you're going to see today is going to be about a day trip that we took to Idaho to visit the Buck Knife Factory. It is an amazing place, people. So I'm going to share that with you, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, Beachcricket out. Enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Christine's gonna get her first chance to get into Idaho today.
Yes, I am. That's taken me to my first experience of Idaho.
And what are we doing in Idaho today?
Today we are going to go to Cabela's, and we are going to the Buck Knife. Is it like a factory?
It's a factory.
It's a factory, which many of you know. I love knives, and so does my compadre here.
Yeah.
We like that stuff.
Oh yes.
So yes, this is going to be a lot of fun for both of us. There is the sign. We're in Idaho, everybody. Woo-hoo. Okay, I'm in Idaho, and we are going to go in here and see the Buck Knives. I love knives, and this is something that we just recently found out that it's located here. We are going to go inside and enjoy this experience. Okay, it says, in memory of Hoyt Buck, at age 13, he made the first buck knife. His determination to create a better knife, his dedication to superior performance, and his commitment to Christ are the guiding principles that have been our inspiration and will always be our ultimate goals. Hoyt H. Buck, 1889 to 1949. Very nice. So this is the inside entranceway.
We have to check with our factory store on the second left over here. You go in there, ask them if they're full of 2 o'clock.
Bookstore. It's a little store, gift shop rather. And this is a marshmallow hot dog stick, $15 each, or 2 for $25, but it's with the bone. Isn't that neat?
So that one, since it is softer and I guess they're a little easier to sharpen, you don't just sharpen it.
And they've got the mugs and cups, and they have some really cool pens that are knives. I thought that was neat. And of course hats, and of course buck knives.
So that would depend upon if you need to, if your knife is very dull and you need to do some serious sharpening on it, you'll probably want to start off with the coarse side just to get it down there, and then just have it right back here.
Okay, great.
Excuse me.
All right, I'll let you go. Love you. Bye-bye.
I think I'm gonna get that one right there. Or maybe the bigger one that I had her pull.
This is really nice. They have a display of some of the old advertisements and magazines that the buck knives were featured in. And of course, here's Outdoor Life. I remember that. And some pictures of some of the factories that were started in the beginning. Some of the knives. Whoops. And him making knives with the grinder. Look at that one right there. Wow, that's an old one. Looks like an axe. This is a cool picture of the factory where they were making the buck knives. Sorry for tapping that onto the glass. It's a little hard to judge.
The unfortunate thing is, Christine and I are going to go on a tour of the factory. But
Wonderful
we're
buck
not going to be able
knives.
to bring
Very
you guys along.
This is the museum area of the buck knife factory, where it shows the history so that we can show you all this. Look at the fancy cases and everything.
Some of their military
Wow. Some filigree work done on these. Looks like they were featured in Blade magazine here. Oh, I just love looking at all these knives. I love knives. This is really a thrill for me. And this looks where some sharpening was done. An anvil, some of the tools on a wood block. And this must be a piece of equipment that was being used. And there's an overlook so that you can see the actual factory down here. They do tours, and we are going to go on a tour, but I cannot videotape that for you.
Yeah, that's supposed to be should
Oh, okay. And then there's another case over here, and we have all kinds of beautiful knives. Oh my goodness. Some with limited editions. Oh, the work is just amazing. The filigree and the engraving on some of these knives. These look like some tactical knives right here. It says buck for cops by cops. Tactical USA. There's some custom work done on these with the handles and on the blades. Wow. Now, when I think about a Bowie knife, a buck knife, I think of this big, huge one right back here. We have one more case. Some smaller knives that are decorative. And put in nice fancy wood boxes. Wow, look at these. See if there's a... Nope, no information on it. What would you say these are, Matt?
Those are mammoth.
Mammoth horns?
Mammoth tusks
Ooh,
from Alaska.
that...
There's a picture downstairs of one that I found up.
Oh, I see. That is so cool. Buck knives.